Day 7 of the 7-day no sugar challenge. Ladies, we made it. Now, first of all, I want to say I am proud of you. You didn't just sign up for this challenge, you showed up. You have taken the time out of your busy life between your career, family, and everything else to prioritize you. And that is not a small step. That's powerful because so often we as women are so busy looking after everyone else that we don't find the time to prioritize our health. So over the past 7 days, we have covered a lot. And so I want to quickly walk through what we have learned. Day 1, we set ourselves up for success. We talked about environment. When your space is working against you, so is everything else. We started removing temptations, adding visual cues, and making your default choices easier, not harder, instead of depending on willpower. Day 2, we focused on stabilizing blood sugar before cravings hit. We learned that cravings aren't just a discipline problem, it's related to blood sugar instability. We use simple natural tools like vinegar, mulberry extract, cinnamon extract to help prevent those energy crashes due to instability in blood sugar levels. Day 3, we focus on detoxing self-doubt. Proverbs 23:7 reminds us, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. You become what you consistently think, say, and believe about yourself. We look at the internal voices that say, why bother? Or this wouldn't work. And we challenge those and replace them with truth. Day 4, we focus on why we can't build new habits in old soul. This is a big one. We realize that lasting change requires a new environment, not just in your kitchen, but in your relationships, your routines, and inner circle. You were challenged to reflect on some tough questions. Who's influencing you? Who's supporting your growth? And are you staying stuck in old patterns because you're surrounded by people who keep you small? Day 5, we look at managing stress. We talked about cortisol, the hormone that derails your metabolism, energy, and weight loss when left unchecked. We learned how small actions from breath work to prayer meditation can protect your peace. Day 6, we chose healthier alternatives. We started to learn how to swap, shift, and upgrade our choices so they support our goals without depriving ourselves. So let's pause and acknowledge something. You didn't just receive information, you took action. Whether it was changing what you eat, going to bed earlier, walking more, or just thinking differently, you have proven that you are capable of change. Now imagine this. If 7 days of small intentional changes can spark this much awareness and momentum, what would 30 days do? Or maybe 60 days? Or even 90 days? Because here's the truth. What you learned this week isn't just about a one-time challenge. You are at the starting line. You can go back to how things were, frustrated with how you look and feel, or you can take the momentum you have built and go further. Now, if you're ready for that, I invite you to register for our free 40 Plus Weight Loss Masterclass, which is designed specifically for professional women over 40 who want to lose up to 60 pounds in 60 days without extreme diets or hours in the gym. So if that's you, click the link below to sign up now. See you there.